weekend one. We have all kinds of different crafts here. Anything from fashion, jewelry, clay, aromatherapy, beads. We have broken jewelry, figure drawing with models. All those crafts can blend together and you can come up with your own creation.
Actually making a friendship bracelet.
A necklace for my best friend.
Beautiful mountain range right now.
Coachella bracelets.
Working on a collage.
Poster for Blackpink.
Birthday present for my boyfriend. Crop tee.
Necklace. Made this water bottle wrapper from the fabric station.
Oh, so awesome. I can't get enough. I don't want to leave.
It's 10 out of 10. I freaking love it.
It's healing, it's energizing. Collage is therapy for me.
It's so fun in here. The vibes are immaculate.
Best place here in Coachella is the craft space.
I love it. I want to stay here forever.